Hello everyone, welcome back to Classic Comics. Well, I thought I was done making videos for the day, but as soon as I got done with my last video, I saw this come down the pike. Jason Momoa's time as Aquaman may be coming to an end, but he's apparently not done with DC yet. So, this is from a report uh, from Hollywood Reporter. According to a report from the Hollywood Reporter, Momoa's future at DC Films after Aquaman and the Lost Kingdom is up in the air right now, with one idea on the table being that he switch roles within the DCU entirely. Sources claim to the outlet that one potential idea would see Momoa return to the DCU after the sequel, but as Lobo instead of Aquaman. Lobo is a popular DC Comics character who has been affiliated with a variety of DC's biggest teams, including the Justice League, Suicide Squad, and more. Lobo is a foul-mouthed bounty hunter that fans have been hoping to see in the DCU for years. It is worth noting that, according to the report, conversations about this change are only in the earliest stages, so nothing has been set in stone as of yet. This being the case, as the outlet notes, this discussion would seem to indicate what kind of plans the team has for this next iteration of the DCU. Alongside this, news reports indicate that Wonder Woman 3 has been canned at this point, and the future of all Snyderverse characters, including Henry Cavill's Superman, is looking grim. If you were a big fan of Momoa's Aquaman, then you can relax for now, as you still got Aquaman and the Lost Kingdom to look forward to on December 25th of next year, so a year away. I mean, what the hell is even going on with Warner Brothers? It's this is like the third time they've had like a leadership change there. Every time it's the same thing. They take one step forward and then two steps back. So apparently Momoa possibly done as Aquaman. And again, Patty Jenkins, Wonder Woman 3 no longer going ahead. Henry Cavill's future as Superman not might be so clear cut after all. He may not be coming back. Maybe yes, maybe no. And with Wonder Woman 3 being canceled, apparently no one told Gal Gadot about it. And The Flash, who the hell even knows what they're doing with that trash fire? I just, I mean, it's like it's like one step forward, two steps back. I mean, okay, you're gonna get rid of Momoa. Okay, well, I mean, I'm not opposed to him playing Lobo. I think he should be playing Lobo, but okay, then who's gonna play Aquaman? Because I thought Aquaman was gonna be one of these main characters you were gonna build around. Again, it just seems like they don't know. They still don't know what they're doing. They still don't know. And anyway, I don't know. What do you think? Do they know what they're doing? Do you think they know what they're doing? Because I sure as hell don't. And do you want Momoa playing Lobo instead of Aquaman? Should he stay as Aquaman? If they get rid of him as Aquaman, who should play Aquaman? And if Wonder Woman 3 is canceled, are they getting rid of Gal Gadot? I mean, I I mean, should they get rid of her or should she stay? What the hell should they do with the Flash? I don't know. Let me know in the comments what you think. Like, share, and subscribe, and hit the bell for notifications. And thanks for watching. Oh, and by the way, I'm going to be doing a live stream probably around 6 or 7 o'clock this Saturday, and I'm going to talk about this. I'd been looking for a subject for a topic for my next live stream, and I just found it. So I hope you'll tune in for that. And again, thanks for watching.